All right, guys, here's the video sample in 1080p at 60 frames per second from the Sony Xperia XZ Premium. This phone does record in 4K, and I'll give you some footage later on that in another video. But here is a sample so you can get a test of how the audio is and how the video quality is. All right, let's get some zoom going. So it does have 8x zoom, not the best zoom. It zooms kind of far. It's pretty good. It's not too bad. I got a shaky hand, so it does have tracking on there. So yeah, this is definitely a really nice. Let's get these little kids going by. It's a really nice camera. All right, so I just want to give you a quick sample of the Sony Xperia XZ Premium rear camera at 1080p at 60 frames per second.